I know our grandparents' generation thinks we're all wasting our money on avocado toast. But how would we know what size our baby is in week 16 if we didn't buy big, beautiful avocados that are about 4.5 inches long and 3.5 ounces? Like this one. I love you, baby avocado. By now, people will also start to have a lot of opinions about when you should feel the baby move. Some women notice quickening as early as 16 weeks, but most have to wait until 18 weeks or later, so don't freak out if you don't feel anything yet. In fact, have another slice of avocado toast. So good. Avocado dance. If your nesting instincts are already kicking in, here's a quick guide on which household chores are safe during pregnancy and which to avoid. You can keep doing the light stuff like washing dishes, making the bed, and dusting, but skip any heavy lifting, cleaning the litter box, or anything that requires climbing a ladder. Also, make sure your cleaning products are all natural to avoid any harsh chemicals. Just have your husband do it all. Why not? You're making a person. You're doing enough. Dr. Aderski here. You may be wondering, why is there so much discharge? I'm here to tell you that an increased amount of vaginal discharge is just another lovely side effect of making a baby. It's totally normal to have discharge that's clear to white or yellowish white with no strong odor. But if you have symptoms like burning and bad itching along with discharge, it could be a yeast infection. It's always a good idea to see your doctor, a real doctor, to make sure it's nothing more serious. People love to give pregnant women advice, even when they don't ask for it. Here's your daily dose of unsolicited advice. You may not be getting your period right now, but you may want to hang on to those panty liners. As your uterus enlarges, it can press on your bladder, causing a little leakage. Plus, all that extra estrogen produces extra discharge. Yay! Oh, making life is fun, isn't it? Feels good. There's a lot of stuff you're expected to give up when you're expecting. Join me now in a moment of silence as this pregnancy pause is dedicated to sleeping on your stomach. Shout out to sleeping on your stomach. I really took you for granted as a position, and now you're all I want to do. And isn't it ironic, Alanis? See what I did? If you are too fat right now to get up off your couch, I'm right there with you. Join me next week and every week. New videos. Like, subscribe, share with your friends. It's fun. Do a little dance, eat some ice cream. Enjoy yourself.